at the beautiful gardens at LANGFORD near Aberystwyth. Now these are in fact Bramley apple, and they've got some really nice huge apples, and I thought I'd make a video now whilst we've got loads of apples. And look at the old man's beard up there. There he is, he's shining away. And we've got so many wonderful varieties of apples around here. There's lots of labels on the trees. Oh, I wonder which one this one is. Is that Howgate Wonder? It's a Howgate Wonder. Huge apples here. And then this is actually a pear. Quite an oldie worldy pear, this one. That's a Pitmaston Duchess. And lots of these are actually on the floor now. Oh, there they are, a couple in the grass. There they are, they have come off here. But this is really interesting that we've got lots of variety still on the trees now at this time of year. It's October, for Pete's sake. Look at these here, absolutely wonders. And it's so amazing that we've had this great season where we've got these apples. I'm sure there was a label on here a moment ago, but it's at LANGFORD. And again, lovely garden. We're just going to actually see a gorse grinder now. Walled garden. Thank you for watching.